Okay guys, I'm so excited. I got to show off to our, we've pretty much finished the big projects at the beach house. So what you're looking at right now is our finished master bedroom. Hi Bibsy. We've got our carpet in. Hi Yoshi. We've got our beds moved in here so we can sleep tonight for the first time in about a year in the master bedroom. Everything's nice and neat. We've got some thrift store curtains up just to cover and the blinds. We moved my dresser in here. And we've got carpet in the master closet. So we've started hanging things up in here just to keep it neat and tidy. And then through the door that used to be a window, believe it or not, when we bought the house, there was a window right here between the den and the master bedroom. I don't know why they didn't cover it up, but they left it wide open. So if you come in here, notice we've got this gorgeous carpet. It's like a beige, neutral. And we moved our television washing station in here. So we've got our lamps and we got our buffet and our little TV set up. We got our chairs so we could sit in here and be comfortable to watch TV. And then we have our computer equipment back in place. And there's the man of the hour. Turn around and say hi, Jim.
Hi.
He's the one that did all the work and moving all the furniture and doing all kinds of stuff, including replacing the engine in the lawnmower this weekend at the farm.
Yeah, that was fun.
Yeah. So here we are, and you can't see it out these windows, but I have bird feeders out here, and we've got the little cat sit station so they could sit and watch out the windows and have all kinds of fun. Bibsy, is it ready for your cookies tonight? Okay, I'll take that under advisement. So we're all excited because now we're living in a real house. Everything is almost finished. We still have a lot of little details. What about you, Yoshi? Is it time for cookies? Yes, it's time. You come over here. So we're happy that we're living now in a neat, clean house. Most of the renovations are done, and as soon as we get a little the details done, like putting the door back up and painting them, and but we're all excited. We're so excited. We're at this stage. Happy.